What do you ask about these things?
Now money.
Now money now.
I can see. But wait. Oh. You know, go cover this small.
Cover waiting. Check out now.
Ah! Eh?
You want am or not?
Yes,
100K.
yes. Wait. This your boy Dorothea Awilo. You can check me on the social media platform. Type Dorothea Awilo. Like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Remember, when preparation meets opportunity, the result always be successful. Quand l'opportunité raconte la préparation, le résultat donne toujours le succès. Today, if you see, I'm in Delta State. I have this call since two people have been disturbing me that I should set them blind dates. So I travel all the way to Lagos, from Lagos to Delta State to meet them because two of them based on Delta State. So two of them are here. But the challenge that is here, the lady is a shower. So let's go and see what happens. Let's go. Hello, guy. Can I know your name?
My name is Chance.
Shaz.
Yes.
Okay, what type of lady you do expect? Like, what is your spec?
Well, I don't know for now. I need to hear from her, so I will know how it go. But for me, I need a lady that will take care of me the way I am, the one I love, the one who will be there for me, whatever. When I need her, will be there for me.
Okay, but you know, on our phone chat, our phone call, I tell you say the girl na shower, Abi,
Yes,
and you say no problem, Abi.
yes.
Okay, pretty lady. Good afternoon. Can I know your name?
My name is Becky.
Becky. How are you doing?
Fine, sir.
Okay, nice one. Uh, what is your spade? Like, which type of man you dey expect? Normal.
Mm, I like tall guys.
Okay,
Black.
okay.
That's money. Oh.
Yes, you.
That is what I want.
Oh, that's what you want. Normal. But you tell me, say they do. You understand?
They do hook up now. Not be you pay me well. If you pay me well, everybody going.
But now you want to settle down.
If you day when if you day balance.
Okay, now, all right. Count to 1 to 3. Two of you to turn to see each other. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Gang, gang. Omo, why not feel strong like this? Alpha Shaz, Alpha, you like what you see?
Yeah. I like what I see.
Shaz say, yeah. I love what I see. Okay, if you want to rate this pretty lady, Becky, right? 1 to 10. How many number you go give
I give it 94.
her? Omo, you don't go foul. Omo, this Shaz don't fall in love. Okay, now let's go. Becky side. Becky. Alpha, do you like what you see?
Mm, I can manage.
You can manage.
Yes.
They see wetin they look here now. Why they look this side say you go manage?
You know, risk my spec now.
Yeah.
Mm. See am now. Waiting where? You not reach. See the polo way when na sheep polo. See the palm way na sheep palm. So I will just say my manager. I need Odogu people. Don't disrespect.
You need Odogun people. When Shaz was talking to me on phone call, he say he have money. Forget about the appearance, you understand. Shaz, do you have money to take care of this lady?
Why not? I have money to take care of her. I have a house, mansion, everywhere. I have cars. If you want to see them, you follow me to my place. Then you see them. That's not the problem.
Do you hear what he say?
You have a house with this dress or what? Where is the house? I don't know.
No. Becky, let us get straight. Don't let me waste my time, my energy, my transport, everything. You know, say fuel no dey the country now all the way for Lagos to come Delta, and now come rubbish me, please. Wait, are you not going to go with this guy?
Check out now. You don't get what I want to do. You don't get what I want to can do. See, I'm now, you know, rich. You know, balance. If you give me 100K for a night,
Wait, Shaz, turn. You fit handle this?
Why not?
Ah, Charles said no. Why not? Charles can handle this. You understand? If you can leave this for Charles, he can handle it. No about the handle. If he can handle it, can you maintain it?
Yes.
Charles is ready to do everything you want. Why are you turn this guy off?
Well, I don't like him. He's not my spec. I like tall guys, black guys. No, who gets better Agbola? I'm not sure say he go get better.
Yeah, Becky. Wait, your bowler is big.
If you want to, let's give it a try and see.
He said, let's give it a try. So what do you think? Maybe try it for
I
yeah.
say they see him so. I dey see him here now. I don't get that.
Yeah. Becky don't kill me. So they see the
I
they see
don't
the
get. I don't get that.
Charles, come cruiser, come cruiser. Wait. You feel handle Becky very well.
Mhm.
You feel handle Becky very well, so
Yes, I can do it very well.
very well. See, he said the thing. Ah, say that again.
I say small body with a big engine.
Say you should not look in because he's small like this. So he has a big engine.
Mm.
What do you?
You just say that your engine go reach his side way. I dey answer question. If you reach his side way, no wahala. But wetin go dey na the cash I want because na my market I dey find.
That means now two things you dey after the money and the bowler.
Yes, na the money na no be money dey speak. Wetin I say about all these things?
Now money.
Na money na.
I can see. But wait. Oh. You know go cover this small.
Cover wetin? Check out now.
Ah. Eh.
You want am or not?
Yes,
100K.
Wait. This why you dey talk with fear. You really want this? Abi when you see wetin I see, so you confused.
No, I'm not dey confused now. I'm ready.
It's like Becky is really ready for you. Are you?
I'm
Are you
ready.
sure that you are going to handle this?
Yes.
But Becky not love you. Um, it's not. She say you are not her style. Abi. So two of you who go pay my ticket price to go back to Lagos because this marriage no work. She tell me before wetin she dey do, and I tell you, say no problem. And now, but the fortnight is from you because you are the one turn shaft down, not shaft. You understand? So just because it's small, you cannot Igbola. See, don't waste Igbola. The Igbola not fee. So how are we going to do? Are we going to pay my flight ticket back to Lagos?
You should ask chance.
I don't understand though. Okay, maybe next time you can check.
Mm-hmm.
You will still try another time. You
Yes,
understand?
yes. I can
Are
try
you good
another
with that?
person. Yes.
But just can take care of you.
Ha! No. I need the Odogu men. I don't need
Odogu
child.
men. You know,
Yes.
see all those people, Odogu men, they don't they go that place when you understand.
I know not about that money I dey find.
Yes,
Which
now just
kind?
have the money. You have the money,
No.
see?
With this body, just not get time.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Uh,
Next time we are seen on phone call to be
uh,
talking. Okay. Thank you. Charles, sorry for what happened, you understand. One thing for this life, if you try one and fail, that does not stop you. You should continue and try. You understand? Keeping it coming. If you another one come up, I'll set you and you good to go. Good luck to you. All right, bye.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much. So, I think this video like 10 minutes, all the way from Lagos to Delta State. Is not really work. Nothing work. Tomorrow I think I need to go to Lagos tomorrow. Another time I can try. And if you are there, viewers, if you are there and you want anything like blind dates, uh, anything at all you want to do, my WhatsApp number is active anytime, any moment. Check out, guys.